Today I'm going to show you how to set up pockets for your composition notebook. We're going to make two pockets today, one for current work and one for graded work. First step is to follow the instruction and cut along the dashed line. To get my current work pocket, I'm going to cut my graded work pocket also. This is going to go in the back of the notebook. Doesn't have to be perfect, but close to the line's good. I'm going to save those to dispose of properly. Next step, I'm going to fold along these gray lines. And again, I'm going to do that as close to that line as I can. You want to make these folds where you're not leaving that middle space so small that you can't hold a half sheet piece of paper. So to test, my other pocket is a half sheet piece of paper, and that easily fits in there. So I did not fold too far on my fold lines. I have one more fold to make on the very bottom to keep things from falling out of my pocket. I'm going to repeat the procedure with my current work pocket. Fold along those gray lines, trying to keep my folds as even as possible. Next step is to get these taped. So I need to open my folds back up. And then I'm going to tape down, or tape the inside of my pocket. And so the sticky side of the tape is facing the desk. I didn't get that piece quite long enough, so I'm going to put another piece on there. I don't want to go above the top of my pocket, and you'll see why once we put this into the notebook. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Get about half my tape on the pocket, and then the other half is where that's going to stick to my notebook itself. And these might stick to your desk a little bit. That's okay. I'm going to flip that around, and I'm going to get a nice long piece for the bottom. Okay. Now I'm going to redo my fold. And now the sticky side of my tape is facing up. And that'll kind of hold the tabs together. I'm going to open my notebook to the front cover, inside of the front cover. And I don't want to put this at the very bottom. Maybe give yourself 1/4 of an inch. And try and center that in the middle. I'm going to press that down. And you might notice that your pocket kind of wants to come up a little bit still. It's not taped down well enough to last the entire school year. So I'm going to take another big long piece of tape, and I'm going to tape all along that side. I do not want to go up above this point because then you'll not be able to stick papers all the way to the edge. But you want to go all the way down the side, all the way across the bottom. If you have a notebook with a plastic cover, you can use regular tape, but you're going to need to use a lot of regular tape. I recommend using some packing tape, some heavier duty packing tape like this if you have a plastic notebook, especially to do kind of this side and the bottom will help that really stick onto your pocket well. But so now my current work pocket is taped in. If I've followed those directions, my half sheet should fit in there, and the pocket should last for the entire school year. I'm going to repeat the procedure with my graded work pocket to go on the back side of the notebook. So you're welcome to keep watching, or if you know what to do, you can move on and do your graded work pocket on your own. So I unfolded my tabs. I get a piece of tape and I put that sticky side on to the paper and facing down to the desk. Long piece for the bottom. Another piece for this side. Fold those tabs in. Fold those tabs in. I actually like to do this bottom one first since I cut that tape a little long. Then it'll hold the side tabs in place. I'm going to go to the back inside cover. Again, a 1/4 inch from the bottom, centered left or side to side on the page. And that's it. Graded work pocket. Good luck.